Hey, this is Forrest from the Olympic Outdoor Center. Pioneers in paddling since 1986. We've been outfitting kayakers here in the Pacific Northwest for over 30 years. So today we're going to share a couple of lessons we've learned along the way when selecting the proper kayak paddle. So let's talk paddle length. The variables that we need to take in consideration when selecting the proper kayak paddle length are going to be paddler height. Taller paddlers need longer paddles. The boat width, wider boats need longer paddles. And then whether I'm using a high angle whoop or a low angle technique will dictate whether I need a longer versus a shorter paddle. And if you're out there paddling and you're watching this video and you think to yourself, well, how do I know if my paddle's right for me? If you ever are paddling and you knock your knuckles on the side of your kayak while you're paddling, that's a pretty good indication that your paddle may be a little too short. There are several size charts available to us out there. You know, one of these variables being high versus low angle can be a little bit subjective. So I would definitely encourage you throughout this process to get out there and paddle with a number of different lengths in order for you to kind of hone in on what works best for you. As a general rule of thumb, typically a low angle paddle will range from about 220 centimeters to about 240 centimeters, while a high angle paddle is going to range from about 205 centimeters to 215 centimeters. And again, the facets we're taking into consideration here are A, the paddler's stature, B, the boat width, and C, whether you're paddling with that top hand way up by your eyes, way down here about shoulder height. Hopefully some of the information you've picked up in this video are going to allow you to make an informed decision. If you ever have any questions about what was presented here today, please feel free to give us a call or contact us at olympicoutdoorcenter.com. Thanks for watching. Happy paddling.